Defend the pride lands from harm. We'll make them all feel unsteady. We'll give them cause for alarm.
Hi guys, gumawa po ako ng toge. Ganda ng resulta, oh. Ginawa ko lang po yan. Marami pang ano eh.
Here's the plan. While the animals are in their slumber,
Madali lang po palang gumawa ng toge.
and just like a roaring thunder, we'll light them
Ang
up.
mahirap lang magtanggal ng ano, mga yung takip niya. Ang dami eh. Tinatanggalan ko pa po ng balat eh. Yung iba kasi maliliit pa. Sayang pag di natanggalan.
The pride lands will never know what feel.
Pwede na pala ako magtinda ng toge. Marunong na po akong gumawa eh. Mahirap lang pagtatanggalin mo ng mga balat. Balat.
Hi, Maya. Good to see you. You see just about everything, Ronald. That's why I want to talk. Fancy, fancy.